Vitamin E plays an important and often overlooked role in supporting fertility in both men and women, offering benefits that go beyond antioxidant protection and reach into the foundational biology of reproductive health. Reproductive cells and tissues, such as sperm, eggs, the uterine lining, and the testes, are especially vulnerable to oxidative stress due to their high metabolic activity and delicate structure. Vitamin E, as a lipid-soluble antioxidant, embeds itself into the membranes of these cells and protects them from oxidative damage that can compromise their function, quality, and longevity. When supplemented properly, it becomes a quiet but powerful ally in promoting fertility and reproductive readiness. In men, one of the most studied benefits of vitamin E is its ability to improve sperm quality. Sperm cells are particularly susceptible to oxidative damage due to their high content of polyunsaturated fats and limited antioxidant defenses. This makes them vulnerable to DNA fragmentation, membrane breakdown, and reduced motility, factors that can impair fertilization and increase the risk of miscarriage if conception occurs. Vitamin E protects the sperm cell membrane, preserves mitochondrial function for better motility, and shields genetic material from oxidative insult. Studies have shown that supplementation with vitamin E, especially when combined with selenium or vitamin C, can significantly improve sperm count, motility, and morphology in men experiencing subfertility. These improvements not only enhance the chances of conception but may also contribute to healthier embryonic development. In women, vitamin E supports fertility by helping maintain a healthy and receptive uterine lining. The endometrium, which thickens in preparation for embryo implantation each menstrual cycle, requires good circulation, healthy cell growth, and minimal oxidative damage to function optimally. Vitamin E supports all of these by improving blood flow to reproductive organs, protecting uterine cells from oxidative stress, and modulating inflammation that could interfere with implantation. For women undergoing fertility treatments or trying to conceive naturally, a properly functioning endometrial lining is essential, and vitamin E helps create the environment needed for successful implantation and early pregnancy. Additionally, vitamin E has been shown to help regulate reproductive hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone, which influence ovulation and cycle regularity. By supporting the endocrine system and reducing oxidative stress within the ovaries and pituitary gland, vitamin E may help promote more stable menstrual cycles and improve ovulatory function. This is especially relevant in women with hormonal imbalances such as polycystic ovary syndrome, POS, where oxidative stress and inflammation are often elevated and contribute to irregular cycles or anovulation. Vitamin E also plays a supportive role during early pregnancy, where it contributes to the formation and maintenance of the placenta. A healthy placenta is essential for nutrient exchange and fetal development, and vitamin E helps ensure its integrity by protecting trophoblast cells, the cells that form the placenta, from oxidative damage. In some studies, vitamin E levels have been associated with reduced risk of pregnancy complications such as preeclampsia, though its role must always be balanced and guided by a healthcare provider during pregnancy. For couples experiencing fertility challenges, supplementing with vitamin E is often considered a low-risk, high-reward strategy when part of a broader fertility-enhancing plan. This may include other supportive nutrients like zinc, folate, coenzyme Q10, L-carnitine, and omega-3 fatty acids, which work synergistically to improve reproductive function. However, it's crucial to take vitamin E in appropriate doses, preferably in its natural mixed tocopherol or tocotrienol form, to avoid imbalances or excessive intake, especially in those with clotting disorders or other health conditions. In sum, vitamin E contributes meaningfully to fertility in both sexes by protecting reproductive cells, improving hormonal balance, enhancing the quality of the uterine environment, and supporting healthy conception. Its role is not dramatic or immediate, but consistent and foundational, working over time to help the body create the ideal internal conditions for successful reproduction. Whether used as part of preconception care or to enhance natural fertility, vitamin E is a gentle, evidence-backed nutrient that helps align the body's complex reproductive systems in favor of new life.